finna do this weekend?
Bro, I don't even know, man. The playoffs this weekend, you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
I heard my bro having a party downtown.
For real?
Yeah, man. It's supposed to be hella females, bro.
Damn, he ready to go, bro. Here she go. She finna come in here, you feel me? She annoying as hell, nosy as hell. She know everybody information.
Bro.
She know what I had for breakfast yesterday. I can't even remember what I had for breakfast.
Bro,
She know
let me tell
everything.
you. The other day I seen her in the hallway. She cut the corner. I instantly dived into the bathroom. I wasn't going.
You gotta do it, bro. I think she worked for the FBI, for real. Oh, hold on. She coming.
Hey y'all, what y'all doing? Who you texting?
Man, don't worry about all
Let
that.
me see.
Don't worry about it.
What's your code?
Don't worry about it.
I wanna see.
Stop being so nosy, man.
I
Get my
wanna
phone
see.
back. Dude. Damn.
Damn, you a nosy ass female. I see why you ain't got no man.
You know, you need a nickname.
Yeah, she do.
What we going? Nosy Nicole.
Man, y'all tripping. But you know what? Nosy Nicole, I like the ring of that. Matter of fact, yesterday in class, I was sitting behind you, and I saw you was texting your girlfriend. But I don't know why she bugging though. Like, what's wrong? What's wrong? What I do?
Bye, Nicole.
What's wrong?
Bye.
Yeah, whatever.